Welcome. If you want to delete your bio on Roblox using the latest update on PC, you're in the right place. Maybe you want a fresh start, or just want to clear out your old description. Whatever the reason, this guide will walk you through every step, quickly and easily. First, open your preferred browser and head straight to the Roblox website. Make sure you're logged into your account before continuing. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon, or your username. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page, where you can see your avatar, friends, and all your public information. Now, look for the Edit Profile button. It's usually easy to spot near your profile details. Click on it to start making changes. Next, you'll see several sections you can edit. Find the About section. This is where your bio or description lives. Click on the About or the pencil icon next to it. This will open a text box containing your current bio. To delete your bio, simply highlight all the text in this box and press the backspace or delete key on your keyboard. Make sure the box is completely empty, no spaces, no characters, just blank. Once you've cleared out your bio, look for the Save button, usually located below or next to the text box. Click Save to confirm your changes. Your profile will update instantly, and your bio will now be completely gone. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Roblox bio on PC with the new update. If you ever want to add something new, just repeat these steps and type in your new description. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to check out more Roblox tips and tricks.